Run come people, mix up and jam, run come, rock and come in people. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. And I hope you guys as usual had a wonderful week. Anything at all that you guys never achieved last week, hope you guys may achieve it next week. Mr. People, what a way or Gracie run out pan Auntie Dana last night. What a piece of drama. What a piece of saga pan social media people. Me say Gracie give it to Planka Boss and talk up the things them and disrespect her because apparently Gracie has said Auntie Dana fire shade pan her. You see me? Allegedly. She has said Dana throw shade pan her and she come out for Dana and I said Dana nah make no money. You see me? I said that Dana pop down and she has said enough money she make of a Dana name, of a Dana content should I say a lot of things people. Me say what a piece of drama upon social media. Me say guys, Gracie talk of some things that about Dana pudding also. And I said Dana pudding if you go to the garbage bin. I say Dana never come out and defend Chris. You see me? But people on a serious level still now. I listen keenly to most of the things what Gracie say. And I say to myself, so, hold on man. Then Gracie did come out and apologize to Dana a couple months ago and I cry like a big baby. You see me? Talk to people. I know remember. Me know all on the member just like yesterday. Gracie apologized to Planka Boss and I literally cry like a baby. Dana did not accept the apology. You see me I say? So you know so Gracie I carry feeling from them time that you know wanna bring vexation. Now when she hear about the pudding, she say all kind of bad thing about the woman pudding. I remember you know people. Remember you know? Me no hear Dana try to bring down Gracie, you know. You see me I say? So even if Gracie have a business, I don't think Dana would try to bring it down. So I don't know where Gracie come from. I don't know what is the objective, guys. But people, leave a thought in the comment section. Let me know what you think about what Gracie said about Planka Boss. For those who never watch the live and thing, I believe Gracie privately live or she do something in the live. She now make the live show so we can see it and this how she da mash up Dana in the live and thing. You see me I say? But Gracie on a serious level still. You can't come out and apologize to somebody. And then couple months back, you dey on them back and attack up the most things about them and thing. When you buy the woman pudding for going a garbage bin and Chris dash Dana pudding a garbage bin and Chris no rate Dana. Eh? Me no business if Chris no want rate Dana. Me no business if Dana no want rate Chris. But you come out and apologize and things. So you just right away to say you give away everything at all and things. You see me I say? So no matter what you say, no matter what you do, you look like a fool the second you did come out and apologize to the woman. And you come out back now. Eh? If on a church, at this and that and that and that. Come on man, make up your mind. Make up your mind what you want to do. You see me I say is either you want to mix up, you want to blender, you want to go church, you want to go this. Hey people, the amount of time Gracie go in the church and come back out. The amount of time pastor see her face and take her back out of the church. Hey Gracie, what you really up to? What Dana really do? Because you look like you have a pick for Dana. I don't know. You have a pick for Dana. I understand that Dana perfect. Dana do a lot of things on social media which she shouldn't do. You see me? I understand that Dana use people content. You see me? Although Dana said somebody must use fear content. I understand that what that I have to get to. You see me? I say, but at the end of the day, still Gracie, you have to know what you do. You cannot come out and cost the woman business, yo. And I try like you want to destroy the woman business that thing. I foolish that. I mean, support the movements of Gracie. And you style the woman and but the woman look good and thing. You no look good. You no look good none at all. The man never look upon you. Straightforward. So if you send a man, if you preen yourself, send a man no look upon Dana, no man never look upon you, Gracie. Because you not turn good. You not feasible. You not look tenable. So me I say you not look, you know a stiff breast and a good bottom and all them thing there. You know me I say? I be a fabber for thing. You is like the sisters of Maxine Foster, Tina Chin, and Marcia Campbell. You see me? I can include a one over England, Sophia Brockfoot Dunkley. You see me? I say so right now, Gracie, you just like a fool, auntie, because you know then I must have put yourself to the mother man. Because you apologize and then now you come out now and twist up things now and I don't understand that thing, man. Eh? Is either you're in or out, you know. Is it apologize you did not apologize, yes or no? What was that for? Was that stunt? Social media want to know. But leave the woman alone, man. Leave the woman alone. You said the woman come out for you, and some people on the live were saying that I never you done come out for. Then I was just talking, and you take it upon your head. I say, good people, enough people still saying, I don't want Barbie too. Sometimes people not talk about them, and people just make a look talk, and then them have to say, yo, you know, so me, them attack and all these things. You see me, I say, them take the time out and find out if I them the person literally attack. Them just enough for them own feelings and for them own mindset. You know, so I me them attack though. I me them attack, you know. You see me, I say, I me them attack. But them not take the time out and find out nothing at all. Because them want to come make content and all these things. You see me? And if Gracie, if you are work, I say you are there work and thing, you should have time for Dana. If you are doing 9 to 5, I ask this America now, you should have the time for Dana. If you claim to Dana call up, say something what pertaining to you, and that's how you come out. I don't understand now work on the money now on the country. I want to focus on other person out here. We have to feed them thing as well too. If Dana want to use people video, Dana business that. You see me I say? Because we all know everybody use people video, but leave the woman alone. Allow the woman alone, Gracie. You see me I say? You're a big woman. We forgot have a different kind of life, yo. Go settle down now. Go marry to a man and see if you can get a child and thing. And stop go around and act like a rascal, idiot. You see me I say? So it's either you have to mix up, as me say, you have the blender, you have the family, you have the church, you have the gospel, you have to do this, you have to do that. You see me I say, you have the pregnancy, what you have to do something different, man, and thing, man. And you see me I say, Dana never, me feel say Dana call your name and think. Dana have not time for that. Dana they are Jamaica, I make money. I called it to you, said not an for Dana. And she use you. You know, he said Dana use you for promote her pudding, you know, anybody use and all these things. Me not understand this. Remember, you know, if Dana wants to that pudding, you know, Dana can call many person, you know, name, you know. You said Dana go for sale one, you know, kind of things and all these things. You see me? Then I can call many other person. Then I can call Mrs. Otian, and she can cause chocolate and vanilla, and people come and support her. See me? Most I think that distribute them the pan shelf. Like how you the pan shelf and can't push the baby. Straightforward. You see me? So me just see sense now you come out for Dana yo. You see Dana come out for you now, me just say, yeah. You see where Gracie come from no one thing, and Dana shouldn't do that. But me not get that. Me not pick up for Dana. But when I seriously tell people, I feel Gracie need attention. I feel attention she want. And I feel Gracie want to have a man around her for romance her body and, you know, make she feel nice. And because she's so too miserable people. You know what I say? She want to look at John around her corner, man, for keep her warm. She too heated. Yeah, man, her blood want cool down. You see me? I remember she want to have a little baby around her and things for run up and down and, you know, for keep her calm. She too miserable, man. Hey, Gracie, when I have to get some daggering, when I have to get some daggering, some good daggering, you feel nice in your own self, eh? Because right now, one thing, Gracie, you sound miserable, you sound like, say, yo, you go through it, man. Like, you know what I say? Yeah, man. So you need some good daggering, man, and you sound too miserable, man. No. For your big man, you sound miserable, you sound hurt, man, Gracie, man. Come on, do better than that, man. You do better than that, man. Do better than that. Eh? Because right about now, people and things, for see how you carry on for social media talk about Dana, yo. It just a show you, it's a show we say, yo, you know, change a bit. You see me? And look for me, sometimes the people cuss me out, you know. I'm gonna go for them all the time. Sometimes I hear people talk, I'm just not say them more time. You see me? So if Dana did call any man thing, you never need to come out and address Dana. You see me I say, just hold it out alone and thing. Because you don't know, so Dana never apologize to you. Dana don't want a friend from you. Dana don't want to know about you because your disrespect. As she say, your disrespect was very hurtful. You see me? But we know Ashanti was hurtful also and also trending drama. You see me? And she accept then Ashanti apology and which that was very controversial. You see me? But Gracie, just slow out things are gonna go the woman alone. Nobody pay the woman a mind, man. Just move on with your life, yo. If you want a better life or you want a pitney, seek God and change your ways on it. Because if you don't do that, you're always miserable. Guys, I'm going not too much.